I don't want to be in it.
Yeah. Whoa. Wow, go away. Wow, go away.
The sun?
Ugh. Let's do it here. Let's do it like this. Yeah, there we go. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Grim and I'm bundled up because Willow and I are going to Albion Falls. It should be frozen because it's the middle of fucking winter in Canada. It's definitely really nice. But yeah, that's where we're going. We're gonna go hiking. I've got 2 pairs of pants on. So yeah, wish us luck. Let's go. Hold on, guys, I gotta go to the bathroom. Now, in order to get up the mountain, we gotta take some motherfucking ugly ass stairs. Hopefully, the stairs are not super slippery, or else I'll die. And she'll die. I don't like this already.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face.
So we're done stairs. Now we're walking super slippery and icy path. The sun is blinding me. Give me your glasses. I'm taking them. I'm stealing them. Give them to me. Give me your glasses. I'm stealing your glasses. No, I'm joking. I don't want them.
I'm so ready.
Okay, so yeah, we're heading to Albion Falls. I'm guessing we're gonna fall because if it's as slippery as it is here, climbing down the cliff we need to climb down to get there.
Woo!
Yeah. Woo. Sure. That's the right attitude to have. Okay. Well, let's go. Yeah.
When you look at me,
I'm not going down there with this camera. That camera, I mean.
I find it hard to not give in.
You okay?
Yay! I am starting to think that going to Albion Falls in the winter is a very bad idea. That's how in Hamilton you see in the Only in Hamilton posts, dumbass needs to get rescued from Albion Falls. Because they go at times like this, where you fall and hurt yourself. My throat's hurting now for some reason. Owie.
Owie.
Like it. Oh, better. So as I was saying, Albion Falls, cool place. Going there in winter, stupid. I have a feeling I'm gonna fall. And I just hope I'm not holding my camera at that point. Ah!
So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left, I was so complete.
Die! Deb?
Debbie?
Debbie.
Deb?
Deb?
What did Debbie do?
Debbie's a downer. Hey Willow, Willow.
Yeah.
Hey Willow. I dare you to step on that ice.
No, I'm gonna slip.
Do it!
No.
Do it!
You do it.
No.
Exactly.
I've got camera equipment.
I've got me equipment.
Everything that matters to me makes me wonder why I can't get over.
I think this is not where we gotta go, but it's very close.
When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
I thought that was Albion Falls for some reason. False alarm. My bad. can't even see him on camera.
No, it's hard to see, and it's
Oh, he's up there now.
the phantom was a lot easier to see. Improve the landing.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I couldn't see well enough of my...
Danger. Keep out. Step drop. Step. Wow.
You did
Step
it.
drop.
You
I'm
did
great.
it.
We've got nothing to hold on to if we fall. So I'm just gonna get real low.
Yeah, you're probably with the camera better to slide down, right?
Yep. Holy shit, there's no way. There is no way I'm getting down this. Nope. Oh, God. I didn't just slide down that. Nope, not at all. Hi, Willow! And of course the wind picks up as soon as you try to land.
Yeah, always.
Just as I thought. That was a really bad idea. I fell a good number of times. Almost fell off the mountain. Well, cliff, I mean. Look at me. I mean, you can't really tell because my pants are slightly white, but I'm covered in snow. So what's your name, by the way? Never really got your name.
Mike.
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 Good to meet you. Mike's got an awesome vlog or drone vlogging channel. Go ahead and check it out. I have it linked down in the description. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm way out of shape. All right, back to my house, Willow. Yeah. That dog over there is not on a leash and it's pulling at trees. Well, maybe it's on a leash. It's got a harness on. That dog really wants that branch or tree.
Flew from up here at the cross.
Yeah.
I remember what it's called, but...
Willow, this is an amazing shot.
And a mechanical shutter.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end it off here. I've got a lot of stuff I gotta do tomorrow and it's getting really late and I still gotta edit this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. And if you did like this video, go ahead and click on either side of my face. There'll be videos up there for you to check out. If you guys do see fit, you guys click on one of those would be great. But I mean, you're probably not. Or maybe you just did. Maybe. I don't know. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.